So I had a weird problem with this drill. I was doing a job today and it just intermittently worked and didn't work, and I was unable to charge the battery, and it was just basically giving me some problem. Every time I would run the drill, this light would come on, but it would be like just the white light, very, very dim, and as soon as you put any load on, it just wouldn't work. So I've examined this power pack. I think this is a Clas Ohlson type branded product, cotech. I'm pretty certain that's where I got it from. And it's got 5 18650 cells in there, so they can easily be replaced in this battery. Anyway, I spent about 3 hours looking at this damn thing, and every time I put it back in the in its box, it stopped working again. I've reflowed the solder on the main contacts, this side, and all the intermediate ones, and I've put even bigger blobs on these. They were already big to start with. It didn't make any difference. Couldn't really work out what was going on with it. And every time I grabbed it, it worked. Every time I let go, it didn't. So eventually I found the fault, which is here. If you look very carefully, you can see that the spot welding has failed on that battery. That's probably been like that all the time I've had it. So that's a strange thing. I haven't seen that. And those spot welds are a little bit dodgy anyway. These don't look brilliant. So that's what it is. So once I put the thing together, just go out of shot to do that. Then it doesn't really work. Press this. And off we go. So that was the problem all along. Not sure how I'll fix that. I don't fancy soldering to 18650s, so I'll probably just have to find a way of just making sure that maintains good contact. But there you go. That was a weird thing.